Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to learn about some basic information about Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first we need to open Adobe Premiere Pro. So after opening Adobe Premiere Pro, we just need to open a new project. So for that we'll go to File, New and Project. A new window will pop up. So there it says about the name and the location and where we need to browse our project basically. So we'll name the project as trial. For the browse option, we just need to click on the browse and we can decide the location where we want it to be located. After that, click OK. After that, these kind of tabs will be appear, in which the selected one is the timeline where we put our videos for the editing, and along with it we have a project window where we will import our files, and there are many more tabs which we'll be working on accordingly. So let's first import our project by double clicking on the import, then select your videos. After importing, we just need to drag the files to the timeline so we can edit it. So this is what it will look like after adding the video to the timeline. After selecting the video, we'll have some effect control panel where we can basically change the position horizontally as well as vertically. We can basically play with the positions of the video, and accordingly we have scale option where we can basically enlarge or decrease the size and the amount of the video, and then we have a rotation which will help us to rotate the video as per our requirements. And then we have a lumetric color option in which we can make our video look cinematic, change the colors of it according to the editing which we want. So this is how it works. As you can see, the colors are changing as per my requirements. And after that we have effects. In effects we have presets, audio effect, video transition, which we can put it accordingly to our requirement for the video. And then we have some tools which are generally used to edit the videos. Here you go, these are the tools. I hope you enjoy the basic information about the Premiere Pro. Thanks a lot.